And now we are here.
Pretty flower, pretty rose, pretty highs, pretty lows, pretty friends, pretty foes.
Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mocha, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm gonna do a little apartment tour for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys around the entire apartment complex plus my apartment. So yeah, I'm looking a little different today. I'm, you know, all natural. Didn't feel like doing makeup, so yeah, let's get started. So first, there's this area. This is the meeting room. It's just a little room where you can come in here and have meetings and stuff. Pretty cool. I'm gonna walk down to the clubhouse, and this is the clubhouse area. It is super nice. There's a couch, we have a TV over here. There's like a table, bunch of tables if you have friends over. They have a whole entire kitchen. Just super cool, super cute. They have, I think this is skee ball or whatever that stuff is called. Right here. They have this area. They have like a little pool table with yet another TV. And in there we have a little media room. Sorry. We have a little movie room in here. Then this is the cardio area. They have a giant TV right here to watch those little workouts on, and a whole bunch of bikes and mirrors. Yeah. They have like a whole little thing on here. You can literally like choose like any of these videos, and then they pop up on that TV right there. Now we're gonna go through here. When you go through here, we have just some vending machines and stuff, restrooms, and then this is the whole workout room. They have all this equipment in here. Then we're gonna move on to the V pool area, which is super dope. It's some people out here, so I'm just showing the general area. We have like 2 pools. We have one over there, which is like more of a lap pool. Then we have another one over there, which is like a bigger pool. But it's pretty dope. They have a whole outside pool area. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the amenities and stuff. So and then we also have like a business center in here too, if you need to work on some work. But that's pretty much all for the amenities. So I'm just gonna head upstairs to my apartment. So when you go up to the elevators, you have to scan your little thing, then we can go up. So after you get out, just walk down this super cute like hotel style hallway, and now we are here. All right, and here we are. And I was initially going to do an unfurnished apartment tour, but I pretty much got my furniture before I moved in. So I don't know how I was gonna do that because moving in was so hectic because I didn't get movers. So it was just me and my friends. So I didn't have time to do an unfurnished tour. But let me start here. This is my washer and dryer. They have some dirty clothes over there. But I've been using this so much because in my old apartment I had to pay like $5 just for like one load of clothes, y'all. It was a mess. So I got a washer right here and a dryer. They just go behind these little doors. Super cute. Then moving over here, this is just like my AC unit in there. And here's the kitchen. This is the full kitchen. So the first door, this is a cabinet. It is just like an empty like closet cabinet thing. It has a shelf up there, and then it has like my trash can because I didn't know what else to put in here. It can be like a coat rack, you know, if you need to hang up coats or something like that. Then I have the refrigerator, which is super dope. I've never had a refrigerator like this. Basically, it has a water, crushed ice, and ice. Yeah, I already got some groceries in here. Went grocery shopping because I've been eating out a lot. I already got some groceries in here. You know. So it's real nice. This is actually the refrigerator on this side, and then this is the freezer, which is very interesting because I've never seen a refrigerator like that. Then right here is another closet, just a cabinet full of like food. I have some dog food up there, and stuff like that. And then there's Jasmine. Hi. Hi. But then here's my sink. It's pretty cool. It's like literally a super deep sink. Like, and it goes like this. You can like pull this little part like further down if you need to wash some stuff down here. Like the speed change, you just change it from this to like that. It's pretty crazy. And yeah, I just have some more cabinets and stuff over here. Drawers, cabinets. Then here's my phone and stuff. But this is just a little island that's in the middle, which is so cute. Then this drawer just has like some pots, pans, and stuff in here. Waffle maker, stuff like that. I didn't put anything in these yet. Then I have this dishwasher, you know, some bread, bananas, and stuff. Then up here is where I put a lot of my spices and this. I'm gonna start working out, so I got my little shaker. Then I put cups, glasses, and spices and bowls and stuff up here. Then right here is the stove. Then this has a built-in microwave, y'all. Like my other apartment did not have a microwave. I mean, did not have a microwave. Did not have a built-in microwave. So I had to actually get another microwave. And I want to thank my parents for giving me the opportunity to do what I want to do, to build a business, to like go to school, all this stuff. I appreciate you guys so much because that's the only way I can even get an apartment this nice. So in this drawer I just have some scissors, forks and knives and stuff. I'm still moving in, so I had to put my little like separator in here. I have these super cute like cooking utensils and knives. And this is just a big drawer full of like miscellaneous stuff. Then over here I just have like all the cooking towels, the mitts and oven mitts and stuff. And upon this is another island. And I just have a mahogany teakwood candle right here. So now we're gonna go around. This is this island. I have these little bar stools just chilling right here, which is super cute. They're the perfect height for the kitchen. So next is my desk and my office area. Okay, I don't have a table yet. I'm probably not gonna get a dining table because I need a whole office space and I can just eat right there. What I need a dining table for. So here's my office space and my desk. Here's my desk. I got this desk from Walmart. It didn't cost that much. I just have my Mac right here, you know, MacBook Air, just chilling right here in the middle. Then I have my iPad. Oh, my favorite candle is burning. This is a Marshmallow Fireside. This is just my Erin Condren planner right here. I've shown you guys this before. I've been super ready for school. I had to get all this stuff like written down and organized for school. If you guys want a video on any of that, because I am in college. I'm a senior in university, so y'all, the struggle. I know the struggle, okay? And I have like all my assignments and the due dates written here. Y'all, I'm getting through it, okay? I'm getting through it. Then I also have another Erin Condren notebook. This is my favorite notebook. It's super cute. But yeah, then I got this little lamp from Walmart as well. Then I have my ring light. I think I told you guys about this. I got this ring light from Amazon. My dad got that for me. There's some packages down there because I'm packaging up orders. I'm gonna save all this for another video because I want to do an organizing your office space video, or how I organize my business video, so that'll be saved for later. But this is just like some of my storage space. This is like a completed like makeup stuff. This is like containers, polymers, like everything's kind of crazy because I moved. But yeah, I'll organize all that later and make a whole video for that, about that for you guys. So then we move on to the living room. So this is the living room area. There's my dog again. But I have this cute little furry carpet, which I got from Michael's. And then I have this couch. Y'all, I bought a couch. Okay, I got this myself. I really want to have another couch because my last one was like a gift from a friend. So yeah, so it's just a little sectional couch. I got it from this place called Bokia, if you guys want to order one. But yeah, I just have like a gray pillow right here, a pink pillow, and then another gray pillow, and it's super cute. Then over there we have some dog pads for this one. Then this is like a little portrait that I'm gonna hang up. I have a TV and my TV stand and my purse. So the next thing we're gonna go to is the balcony, okay? Because there's a whole balcony out here. This is, right here is some people's balcony spaces, and then like I showed you guys before, this is the pools, or both of the pools. They're super cute, you know, super cute. And the balcony goes down like here, goes all the way down to like this side. So yeah, so let's get back in the house. Next, we're going to head to my bedroom, just through this door. And this door actually doesn't have a knob or anything, you just slide it open. Pretty cool. So this is my room. My dog has a bed that goes right here, but she got it all messed up, so I'm washing it. And this is like her little dog bowl. Then I have another TV over here, windows. And then I have another purse and like my Xbox controller and stuff over there. And then this is my bed. This is my bed, you guys. It is super cute. The headboard I got from Wayfair. It was a pretty good price also. The pillows I got from Walmart. The comforter and the blanket I got from Walmart. All super affordable, super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna put some more stuff in here soon, but that's it for now. Now we're gonna head to my restroom. And this is my restroom. It actually needs some brighter lights. I'm gonna change it soon. But right here, just have like a medicine cabinet, put a trash can, and then this is the restroom. Yeah, it has double sinks. Just super dope. So if someone comes over, my friends come over, whatever, they'll have their own little area. So yeah, that's that. And then this is just the bathtub. It is like a garden tub, so super deep, super cute. They just have the shower curtain I got from Marshalls also. Then there's my towel. A lot of work to do in here. There's a lot of stuff at the bottom. But yeah, it's a walk-in. Pretty cute. And then these doors just close like that. And then I'm gonna give you guys another view of the restroom. That's the restroom. Again, here's my room. And look at this door, guys. Like, this is like interesting. Like, it literally slides. But yeah, I think that is everything. That is my entire apartment tour. I know you guys have been waiting a little minute for this, and y'all, I'm so excited. I am so excited. It's like perfect. It's literally perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I think I'm gonna do an office organization tour and a mukbang. As always, leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't already subscribe to your girl Mocha. Okay, because it's about to get lit. Bye.